T-Mobile today unveiled its first ever Revvl tablet, the Revvl Tab 5G. The tablet is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, has 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and a 10.36-inch 1200 by 2000 LCD display. It also has dual rear cameras, 8MP main, 2MP depth sensor, and an 8MP front-facing camera. The Revvl Tab 5G is a budget tablet, but it does support 5G connectivity. It also runs Android 13 and has a fingerprint sensor. The tablet is available in dark shadow and costs $199.99. However, T-Mobile customers can get it for free with a new tablet line on their account. In addition to the Revvl Tab 5G, T-Mobile also announced two new Revvl smartphones, the Revvl 6X Pro 5G and the Revvl 6X 5G. The Revvl 6X Pro 5G has a 6.82-inch 720 by 1640 LCD display, a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, 6 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, and a quad rear camera system, 50MP main, 5MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, 2MP depth sensor. It also has a 16MP front-facing camera and runs Android 13. The Revvl 6X Pro 5G costs $229.99, but T-Mobile customers can get it for free with a new line on select plans. The Revvl 6X 5G has a 6.67-inch 1080 by 2400 LCD display, a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and a triple rear camera system, 50MP main, 5MP ultra-wide, 2MP depth sensor. It also has an 8MP front-facing camera and runs Android 13. The Revvl 6X 5G costs $199.99, but T-Mobile customers can get it for free with a new line on select plans. All three devices are available exclusively at T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile starting August 24th. Here are some of the key features of the Revvl Tab 5G. 5G connectivity. MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. 6 GB of RAM. 128 GB of storage. 10.36-inch 1200 by 2000 LCD display. Dual rear cameras, 8MP main, 2MP depth sensor. 8MP front-facing camera. Android 13. Fingerprint sensor. The Revvl Tab 5G is a good option for budget-minded consumers who are looking for a 5G tablet.